Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and I want to tell you about this amazing ENOMIR smartwatch. My favorite thing about it is that I can answer calls on this watch. It has a built-in microphone and also a built-in speaker, so I can answer calls even if I don't have my phone right with me. I use this especially when I'm walking or when I can hear the person on the other end very well and they can hear me as well. So the quality of the call, it's excellent. The other thing I love about it is that it keeps a very good track of a few things that are important for my health. For example, I can keep track of my heart rate, all the calories that I burn when I'm working out. It counts the steps. So I love looking at all that information to make sure that I'm motivated to do a workout, or I want to make sure that I'm sleeping well. And I have access to the smartwatch from my phone just with one app. I can control everything in the smartwatch. I like that it's water resistant. So even if I'm sweating a lot during a workout, the smartwatch will keep working. It's very comfortable to wear. It looks good. It tracks everything. It's the perfect smartwatch for the price. And that is my point of view.